Hi friends, this is Dr. Abdek IM Chimthanawala from Grace Healing Homeopathy. Today I'll discuss a very interesting remedy. Of course, I've got results with this remedy, so I'm discussing this remedy in front of you. There was a patient, and the symptom which was there in that patient was that anxiety about money matters. He was very anxious about money, how much I'm earning, मैं कितने पैसे कमा रहा हूँ, फिर मेरे फ्यूचर में इतने पैसे रहेंगे, मेरे बच्चों के लिए इतने पैसे रहेंगे, फैमिली के इतने पैसे रहेंगे. Lot of anxiety about money matters. Of course, anxiety of money matters. We have remedies like Calcarea Floor, we have Aurum Metallicum, we have Bryonia, a lot of remedies. Today I'll discuss Calcarea Floor, a very fantastic case, and I've got good results using this symptom in the patient. So in Calcarea Floor, anxiety about money matters, very, very important. Now this patient had a very, very interesting, interesting dream, that he felt that as if मैं मेरे grandfather, grandmother, his mother also expired. So dreams of dead people. और सपने में उसको फिर रोना भी आता था. मैं सपने में रोता हूँ. A very, very interesting symptom of Calcarea Floor, that is dreams of dead people with weeping. And this patient of Calcarea Floor has a very interesting symptom that the concentration is very difficult. The patient is not able to concentrate on particular subject, his business, studies or anything, but concentration is very difficult. That is present in a lot of remedies. But in Calcarea Floor, concentration, though difficult, a very important modality, it is better by eating. So the patient says, no, मुझे खाना दो, मुझे अच्छा लगेगा. Sometimes the relatives, the persons around him feel he's just they wants to eat and that's why he's behaving this way. But in Calcarea Floor, difficult concentration is emulated from eating. In fact, if the patient is very irritable, बहुत irritable, बहुत सब चिड़चिड़ करता है, बोलता खाना दो, खाना, फिर खाना खाता है, फिर शांत हो जाता है. This is also a very important symptom of Calcarea Floor, that is irritability eating after emulates. मतलब खाना खाने के बाद irritability उसकी ठीक हो जाती है. And the patient has a very interesting, symptom. Normally for worms, we think of remedies like Sina or Centonine or Chilone. But this patient of Calcarea Floor had a very, very interesting symptom that the patient used to wake up from sleep because of worms. Itching in the anus, worms coming out. Normally we don't think about Calcarea Floor, but if you see, Calcarea Floor has waking from worms. A very interesting symptom, waking from worms. And that patient actually was suffering from, the patient had, warts on the scalp, which were very hard. So I prescribed few remedies, did not work, but Calcarea Floor cured the case. So remember the symptom, warts on the scalp which are hard, that is Calcarea Floor. And to add one symptom which the patient had, that was indigestion from fatigue. पेशेंट बोलता डॉक्टर साहब मैं सवेरे से शाम तक काम करता हूँ, नॉर्मल खाना खाता हूँ, सो जाता हूँ, फिर भी मेरा पेट खराब रहता है. आई वर्क द होल डे, ईट नॉर्मल फूड, दाल चावल रोटी सब्जी, रोटी एंड सब्जी, एंड स्टिल आई हैव इंडाइजेशन प्रॉब्लम. My dear friends, a very, very important entry point of Calcarea Floor, that is indigestion from fatigue. So this was the case, and I prescribed the case, a case of warts where these symptoms are very, very important. Anxiety about money matters, concentration difficult, better by eating, irritability, better by eating. The patient wakes up from sleep because of worms. And of course, the other symptoms which I discussed just now. So my dear friends, Calcarea Floor, a very interesting remedy. I just cured a case of warts. That's why I'm sharing what symptoms I took for prescription for the patient. If you like this video, do share and subscribe. Thank you.